Welcome, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, my moon. Pleasure to be joining you across time and space. If you're feeling stressed out, overwhelmed, anxious, insecure, lonely, tired, feeling shameful about something, guilty, feeling self-hatred even. Know that you're not alone. That millions, if not billions of people around the world can relate, can empathize with your pain, confusion, reminding you that it's okay to not feel okay. And perhaps you do feel okay today. Perhaps you feel even joyful. That's also good. Whatsoever you feel, it's A-okay. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can deepen our trust, our love, our strength, our peace. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated position where you can be upright, aware of your posture. Becoming aware of your space without judging it, just noticing your surroundings, observing colors, textures. If you can see out your window, notice what the sky is doing. Becoming more aware of sound, the sensation of touch. You can gently close the eyes to tune deeper inside. Relaxing your belly, relaxing your hands and feet. Dropping the shoulders away from your ears, extending your spine, sitting in a way that feels strong yet relaxed. Notice how you're feeling in this moment. Without pushing it away, just notice the pain. You can even smile at it. Becoming aware of the anxieties, the tensions, the worries. Spending a few moments to really look at it. Breathing back into your body. Know that you're breathing. Know that you're alive. You live to see another day, but it won't always be that way. Keeping aware of your posture as you take a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhaling old life, old energy. Full body breathing in. And full body exhaling, letting go. Inhaling. Exhaling. Taking a breath in. And a breath out. Relaxing the belly, pushing the belly outwards. Feeling your breath, not just in the chest, but dropping down into your stomach. Relaxing the shoulders, relaxing your face. Letting go of tensions in the jaw, the lips, the forehead. We're going to take 3 breaths in, 3 breaths out. Inhaling. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Following my lead. Taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top, and exhale. Dropping the shoulders, allowing your eyes to be closed. You're safe to close the eyes and look inside, witnessing and welcoming whatsoever you see. Observing your inner world very gently, very lovingly. No matter if it's anxiety there, depression, guilt, shame, simply witnessing it like an old friend. mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Allowing your mind to be totally free as you continue to look inwards. Relaxing your belly, opening your chest. Feeling your jaw absolutely relaxed. Taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top. Continuing to hold. And very slowly, very under control, exhale, let go. Very nice, my friend. Way to stick with it. So happy to have you joining me today. And I really mean that. Taking a deep breath. And a deep breath out. Breathing in trust. Exhaling insecurities, letting them go. Breathing in more love. And exhaling fears, letting it go. Breathing in peace. Exhale, letting go of anger. Taking 3 breaths in. And 3 breaths out. Breathing in. Breathing out as much as you can. Every cell in your body taking a breath in and exhale, releasing pain, feeling pain leave the mind, leave the body. The color for today is indigo. The number This is 00. And the animal is a rabbit. Or if you like, a hare. I don't know if the animals is the same thing. Whichever one you like. Coming into your body, becoming aware of your posture. Aware of your space, aware of your surroundings. Aware of your awareness itself. So you take a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top, and exhaling. I thank you for joining me today across time and space, sending you a big hug, wishing you an abundance of love on your path. Remember that love is so powerful. Not in the way that it conquers or dominates others, but powerful in the way that it serves, in the way that it creates, in the way that it forges a new direction that previously seemed blocked. So many obstacles in our way. Without love, it can be difficult to move through these obstacles. The fear becomes overwhelming, the anxieties, the insecurities, and we feel as if we can't do it. And if you're anything like me, you can have this dialogue throughout the day of, I can't do this, I don't know if I can do this. Come back to love, come back to trust. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.